In Feng Shui, the master bedroom is considered the place where the head of the household spends the most time. It is believed to govern health, wealth, and influence the energy of the homeowner significantly. Managing the master bedroom can either lead to the smooth accumulation of wealth or, conversely, attract negative energy, causing obstacles and financial difficulties. In extreme cases, disputes among family members, especially spouses, can arise. Therefore, the master bedroom is a crucial space that should be carefully arranged. Today's video will enlighten you on Feng Shui principles related to the master bedroom, focusing on attracting wealth and preserving the energy of the homeowner. It is essential not to overlook these Feng Shui principles, and I encourage you to apply them after watching the entire video. Subscribe and like to receive consistent updates on Feng Shui stories that bring wealth. The first aspect of enhancing wealth in the master bedroom is through the choice of bedside lamps. Contrary to the common belief that a well-lit bedroom is ideal, Feng Shui suggests maintaining a subdued brightness for wealth attraction. Wealth is associated with darkness in Feng Shui, and it tends to accumulate in darker areas. Therefore, it is recommended to use bedside lamps instead of bright ceiling lights. Choose simple and not overly flashy lamps, as excessive brightness can disrupt the energy in the master bedroom. The ambience should be subtle and neat to maintain the sacred energy of the space. The second aspect involves the bed, a crucial area for replenishing the energy of the homeowner. It is advised to eliminate any elements that may disturb this energy. Avoid placing objects on the bed frame, especially above the head, as it can create pressure and negatively impact the energy during sleep. Items like frames or decorations above the head are discouraged. If you need a place for personal items, consider placing a nightstand next to the bed. Additionally, keeping the space under the bed clean is essential, as accumulated dust and clutter represent discarded energy, which is unfavorable in Feng Shui. Feng Shui discourages discarded items and considers dampness as unfavorable energy. After sleeping, ensure that the bed and bedding are properly dried and neatly arranged. Maintaining cleanliness and order is crucial in Feng Shui, especially in the master bedroom, where accumulated negative energy can affect the homeowner's life negatively. It is also recommended not to position the bed against the wall, allowing energy to flow freely. Blocking the flow of energy by placing the bed against the wall can have adverse effects on financial luck. So it's essential to create a well-ventilated and harmonious environment in the master bedroom. In conclusion, these Feng Shui principles for the master bedroom focus on creating a balanced and positive energy flow conducive to wealth accumulation and overall well-being. In Feng Shui, more important than placing favorable items is avoiding placing unfavorable ones. The master bedroom is no exception. I will now inform you about the Feng Shui of the master bedroom that can block wealth and take away the homeowner's energy, leading to poor health luck. Please listen carefully until the end and make sure to avoid these negative elements. The first Feng Shui aspect to avoid in the master bedroom is hammering nails into the walls from a Feng Shui perspective. This act is equivalent to driving a stake into the prosperity and wealth luck of the household, killing the energy. If you have children, it is crucial to avoid this, as it can hinder their future. Remove any nails hammered into the walls, but it doesn't end there. The marks left by the nails can become scars emitting negative energy continuously. So it is essential to eliminate them using products available in the market. Remember, the master bedroom is a space where no material should be harmed. The second aspect to avoid in master bedroom Feng Shui is the placement of photos and paintings. Some people hang large family photos in their bedrooms, but Feng Shui-wise, it is not favorable. The master bedroom is where the owner resides, and if you must hang pictures, it is recommended to limit it to photos of the couple. Avoid placing photos directly above the head of the bed, and if you need to place photos, use devices available in the market to eliminate any negative impact. The third aspect to avoid in master bedroom Feng Shui is mirrors. Mirrors absorb positive energy and reflect negative energy, so the positioning of mirrors is crucial. Since the master bedroom is a place to recharge energy, having mirrors that drain energy should be avoided. Particularly, full-length mirrors should be avoided, and if there is a mirror facing you when you wake up, it is not ideal. Consider the master bedroom as a space where mirrors have no place and relax without them. The fourth aspect to avoid in master bedroom Feng Shui is plants. The life that rejuvenates energy in the bedroom should be the owner, not plants. When you raise plants, you share your life energy with them, which may not be beneficial for wealth luck. Avoid placing plants or flowers near the bed, especially in a one-room setting. Remember, it is not advisable to have plants near where you sleep. The fifth aspect to avoid in master bedroom Feng Shui is the waste bin. The energy of the waste bin itself is discarded and dirty, which contradicts the pure nature of the master bedroom. If you must have a waste bin, use a small one with a lid, and make sure to empty it frequently to prevent the accumulation of dirt. However, it is highly recommended not to have a waste bin in the master bedroom. The most crucial aspect in the master bedroom is cleanliness. It should be free of any stagnant or messy energy. If you have many items, tidy them up, and do not place clothes that have been worn on the bed. Only keep essential furniture and try to keep the space as empty as possible. There should be a space for wealth luck to accumulate. To summarize what you've learned today in one line, to attract wealth, consider stand lights, lighting, bed, and ventilation. The things to absolutely avoid are nails, photos, mirrors, plants, and waste bins in the master bedroom. If today's information was helpful, please share it with people you care about. Please subscribe and set notifications to receive further useful Feng Shui information for becoming rich. I will see you in the next video. Have a healthy and happy day today.